Hello class, and welcome to our interactive lesson on Michigan economic activities. We are going to start off our lesson today with a reminder about what economics is. Economics is known as a social science, this meaning that it is a study of humans interacting within a society with other humans and also humans interacting with society itself. Within these interactions, there is a movement of goods meaning the food that we eat or the clothes that we wear, or even the cars that our parents drive. Within a society, these goods are made, also known as being produced, and distributed throughout a community or state so that they can be bought or consumed by people. Now that we have covered the meaning behind economics, there are three major economic activities that take place in Michigan today. They are manufacturing, agriculture, and tourism. I will go into more detail about each of them in the following slides. The first one that I'm going to talk about is manufacturing. Manufacturing is huge in Michigan, primarily because of the automotive industry. There are three large companies in Michigan that have been successful in producing cars in the automotive industry, and they are Ford, Chrysler, and General Motors. The next economic activity we're going to cover is agriculture. Michigan takes part in this through farming, and specifically farming of corn, dairy, and blueberries. Corn production brings in 11% of the state's income agriculturally. Dairy farming is the largest agricultural activity in Michigan today, where 25% of the state's income comes from dairy farming. In western Michigan and the Lower Peninsula, that is where most of the blueberry farming takes place. Altogether, there are 21,000 acres used specifically for blueberry farming. The last activity we're going to discuss today is tourism. Tourism is when people travel to different places for their personal pleasure or for business. Michigan is a place that brings in or attracts a lot of tourists for its beautiful views throughout both peninsulas during all 4 seasons. The slogan for Michigan tourism is known as Pure Michigan. Pure meaning that Michigan is unique in its own ways and that people should come to visit to experience in all of its uniqueness. Here we have a few pictures. The first one on the top is the skyline in downtown Detroit, and then we have a beautiful picture of the Upper Peninsula of Pictured Rock. If we go ahead here and click the link that says Pure Michigan, it brings us to the michigan.org website where we can look and it shows us all of the different places and attractions that we can go to in Michigan. When you guys get a second, you should go check this out. It's very cool. Now that you've all had time to sit through and listen and watch our lesson about Michigan's major economic activities, it is now your turn to do some more research. There will be a handout I will give to you in our next class, that gives you more info and direction on what you are to do. Thanks for listening, and I will see you all in class.